Happy birthday to Davy Crockett, a once-celebrated American folk hero who died defending the Alamo. Credited with brazen acts of mythical proportion, though recently has somewhat faded with the decline of almanacs. Welcome back, ISS. Just when you were ready to drop everything and devote the rest of your life to helping me save the space station, we're in luck. A new budget promoted by Obama and adopted by the Senate carries funding on through at least 2020. They're lucky they did when they did. I was about to start trashing officials on Twitter. All's going as slow as possible in the German town of Halberstadt. The 8-page musical composition written by John Cage, As Slow as Possible, began playing on the organ at the Sankt Bernardi Church on September 5, 2001, but is being performed with a tempo that stretches out the piece for 639 years, eventually ending in the year 2640. Am I glad I don't live there.com? Or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. Also in Germany, teddy bears go on holiday to Hamburg, Munich, Barcelona, Rome and Romania. Yes, owners of stuffed animals are sending their loved ones to one of several vacation retreats, following their dreams vicariously through pictures and thoughts of sugar plums and sweet fairies. Anyway, so Davy Crockett was to print what Chuck Norris is to the internet. He said, I'm that same David Crockett, fresh from the backwoods, half horse, half alligator, a little touch with the snapping turtle, can wade the Mississippi, leap the Ohio, ride upon a streak of lightning, and slip without a scratch down a honey locust. Davy Crockett had a son named John Wesley Crockett, another one named William F. Crockett, there was Robert Patton Crockett and George Patton Crockett, as well as daughters Margaret Finley Polly Crockett, Rebecca Elvira Crockett, Margaret Ann Crockett, and Matilda Crockett, which would eventually, through an explicit chain of events, lead to the 2010 Davy Crockett family reunion. Culminating with Pat Foster winning the Davy Lookalike Award in Crockett, Texas, a distinction matched only by Rick John for his recognized work on the family website, A Good Time Was Had by All. Livestock producers are on the lookout for anthrax this week after a bovine has been found infected in, yep, you guessed it, Crockett, Texas. I wanted to take a peek for myself and did a search for live webcams in Crockett, but nothing came up. I did find this one in San Antone. Nope, I don't see a thing. Which got me thinking. How's everything faring in Poland? In Gdańsk? On the internet bench? Anyway, so I also found this support center at Eastville College in Dallas. But no cows. So aside from this, and this, I just have to say, too many of you are selling your souls. I've noticed the increase in selling arm space, backs and heads, but souls? Apparently this does not violate the eBay terms of service, which means to me it must be legit. The seller is no rookie either. Look at all of that A++ customer feedback. A dog with the soul of a philosopher.